This one also from seed-grown selection. The base did not produce variegation, so I took it out already. We'll find out any of this cutting in the A layer and back would produce variegation. I mark this one as letter C. Put all the C tag. Let's separate them out. This particular seedlings that produce not much on the leaf yet, but that is stem show promising variegation. Down here, you go down here. Some part of this section already have notching. We're gonna cut right at the notching section. Here. Part of the base, plant C, seed-grown Monstera deliciosa, variegata, and then this one part of the top. We will take it out, prepare it, have it ready to move to different location, and let it grow out more. Then we're gonna examination its variegation. After we done remove the plant C, we're gonna take a look at this one. This one is Northern Light. See, we still mark the leather end. The top that we remove it out. And I feature it in another video. You can look it back. See how it come out with a good variegation, excellent color, variegation form right there. Stem very good variegation as well. So this one we're gonna pot it up and we do some more cutting. Then we're gonna move this to a different location for this one so it can grow bigger. We can do propagation this one out later. This one is yellow variegated. It's it still have its original base. Excellent variegation on its stem. I did some notching there, and then air layer it back. But the plant's still small. Let it grow bigger before we can cut it and propagation it out. This plant would feature in another video when it was smaller. Right. For now, we call it yellow variegated Monstera, but we gotta label it with the letter. Then later on, we're gonna do video about it. This is not the same as the Planet Sun. The Planet Sun is a different seed grown from a different seed variegated. This one is separate. Right, a lot of work to do, but take time and enjoy it. Let's move the plant seed out. Clean up the room. We're gonna prepare the plant seed outside. Plant C is outside now. Some of them will be potted, but we'll see. The other one over there, see this one is different. Also came from another seed grown white creamy green color variegation like this. The young leaf come out like this color. But this one came from a Monstera deliciosa variegata. This letter T, you see I use the metal to mark it. Letter T. It is not the same clones as Northern Light or Polar Bear. A very good variegation on the stem. We're gonna propagate this one out as well. There's the base and at the top there. I took the top out and move it out. Okay. Come out there. See? That I cut the top there. Right, we get a picture of this plant later on. But for now, we're gonna repair the plant C. Hopefully, we have time to do this one at the same day. If not, we're gonna do a different day. I ended up repot them into 1 gallon pot. This one we take it out and we examination it. So now we're gonna cut it off to have a separate plant. Yeah, it's good to have it into the tray like this with the stable pot inside, so it doesn't move. To stay it up like this, so the bottom doesn't move. It may cause, when it moves, it may cause stretch into the root ball. So best to do like that. Right, so I'll cut this one. I'm gonna repot this one as well. You get the 1 gallon pot. You cut the back open. So you see the mix. Add the cocoa. If you don't have it, you can use pig moss. Right? But either way, put it back like this. And make sure it's into the 1 gallon pot like that. Make sure don't poke the root. You're gonna make sure you know where you put it. So the root right here, the axillary bud should be somewhere here. Stick like this. Need to stick away from the axillary bud. This from here at the bottom. Go on sphagnum bismuth. You're gonna mix this in, put it in, shake it. So, make sure this section here and this section here are open. Right. This is earthworm casting. I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. Right. Not too much, just a little bit. Label. So I'm gonna mix it up. Into see, I can have two plants. I can have two plants. We can cut this one as well. See, separate, two separate parts. Alright, so we have two. This one, gentle, shake it out. Okay, so the root you have to be careful. There you go. Run, man. This one is separate. See, not all of them make it. Maybe have casualty as well. Some of them may not produce variegation. We'll see. All right, even though we see a lot of cutting, we gotta look for the one that produce variegation, and we will be propagate those out from the variegation out. The top one I would put in the separate big pot later on.